It doesn't move, it dries out. Let's see how much you get into it. And these are the swatches. So what I like about these sticks, you can use them with your hands. You just want to go in and do a quick like shadow and whatnot. Let's do a simple eyeshadow using eyeshadow sticks, and this is going to be for any beginners out there, someone who struggles with eyeshadow blending. Let me tell you, these are so easy to blend. These are from L'Oreal Paris. So if you want to see how this video goes, please carry on watching. Zoom in, zoom in. So my base is done. We're not focusing on the base today. I have these Lestique eyeshadow sticks from L'Oreal Paris. This is a new drop. If you've seen my community tab post, I did go to a L'Oreal masterclass. I was invited. Val Gand, if you don't know her, she's from the series called Glow Up. It's a makeup, it's all about makeup. She's a makeup artist. So we have different shades here, and we have about 9 sticks. Simple way to do your eyeshadow. If you're like, I don't know how to do eyeshadow, this is the quickest way. You might not even need brushes. So these eyeshadows are rich, creamy eyeshadow that glides on effortlessly. Quick stick format, easy to go on a go use. Like let's say you want to just add on a little bit, you know, they're multi-use. You can use them for concealer, contour. I don't know about concealer. You can use it as a bronzer, you can use it as a lip liner, or even a lipstick if you want to. They are super easy to blend, smooth, buildable, transfer, and there is matte and also shimmer states. I feel like I've only got like shimmer. And we want to do some swatches. So let me swatch these for you. So these are the shadow sticks. So they only retail for $7.99, so you can just get a couple. Kind enough to be gifted this when we went to the class. It's like more for champagne color, and this one is called Mesmerizing Gold. Roll up, rolls all the way up. Let's see how much you get into it. Oh my god, you get so much out of it. Looks like on my skin tone, it's a gorgeous shimmery gold, metallic bronze, and it looks like this. And that's the metallic gold on my skin tone. These are both called metallic bronze, but they are different shades, more of like a brown. This, it's a silver one, and that's how it swatches. And that is Cloudy Rose. Ooh, I love that magnetic mauve. It is a little similar to the golden one, metallic gold, but it's more pink. It's that one, Twinkly Rose. It's also similar to the golden shade called Brown Bassy is that one right there. Old foiled copper. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. I can't wait to play with that. With alluring rose. There's a lot of roses here. Really light. That one there, gorgeous. So these are the Lestique eyeshadow sticks, Les Shadow sticks from L'Oreal we're going to be playing with, and these are the swatches. As you can see, super pigmented. It doesn't move, it dries out, but obviously if you rub it vigorously, it's going to come off. So it's even not easy to come off with a wipe, so that's good. So what I like about these sticks, you can use them with your hands. You just want to go in and do a quick like shadow and whatnot, you can just go in with your hands. So first I'm gonna make sure my eyes are primed and they're ready, and I'm actually using the L'Oreal serum concealer just to make sure my eyes are ready for those shadow. So we've got a proper nice canvas to work on. Metallic bronze, okay, and I'm just gonna go on the outer of my eyes like so, that because I do want like a warm background. So bronzer from Makeup Revolution, because it's not as warm as I would like, and it's too shiny, but it's fine. So we want to try and just stick to one color, but I just think it's be fun to just play with it. And we're gonna go in with the magnetic mauve, and I'm just gonna rub that. So I'm just gonna rub that. 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 I'm just gonna rub that and it's coming out more of a champagne color on my lids. So you could also just get your finger like this and just tap it on, because it's that easy to blend on. Okay, tap it on, get your finger, rub on your hands, or you could use a brush, but this is a quick eyeshadow, simple, and you're just tapping on your lid and then just moving it forward, and you get in a gorgeous eyeshadow color. Also doing the same here, or directly on your lid like so, and use your brush to just blend it out, but you could use your fingers as well. Simple. It's a dark brown, and just to add a little bit of dimension, we're just adding on the outer corner so it's not too flat. But if you liked it the way it was already, you can just leave it like that, just blending it like this. Okay, and this should not take you ages to do that in the inner corner. Can you see that? So that's opening up my eyes. So gonna put this on my bottom lash like so. Just a gorgeous little add-on. It doesn't sting, it doesn't feel comfortable in your waterline, so that's what I like. Can you see that? And we got a simple eyeshadow. So that's the eyeshadow. Now we're gonna pop on some lashes. Let me just show you the gorgeous magic you would have just created. Or you could put mascara. I ain't got that much lashes, but I'm gonna put on some lashes. I know I've got lashes on, but I did use this mascara, Big Paradise from L'Oreal Paris. Oh my gosh, if you are looking at a mascara that's gonna grab your lashes, gorgeous. This is amazing. I love this. I just used it on my bottom. So that is the final look of trying this Eyeshadow sticks from L'Oreal Paris. I definitely think it's worth you guys trying. If you are not so good with your eyeshadows, I definitely think it's something that I'll be using quite a lot, because sometimes I ain't got time. Like I told you guys, I focus mostly on my base. I want to make sure my base is looking fire. Okay, and that's like what I focus on. So definitely check this out. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.